What if it is? What if it is?
God have mercy.
Don't beat someone's child.
Hey, lemon parang kui. Ha! That is it. Look at my face.
Oh, yes.
Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Why do you sending me and sending you butterfly?
Don't beat someone's child.